Students, I am going to teach some of the shortcut methods and techniques to solve the section A problems in this question paper. Look at problem number 1. Suppose if you find a problem in this category, that is, suppose if you need to find the value of k, which is the middle term, and the equation has real and equal root, you follow this technique. Take the square root of the leading coefficient and the constant term, multiply them, and then multiply them by 2, put plus or minus in front of it. That's all. So the correct answer is option B, plus or minus 12. Note that in some problems we are not able to take the square roots independently. At that case, you multiply 4ac and then find the square root of it. Now look at the second problem. Note students, the perpendicular distance of a point from x-axis is its y-coordinate and the perpendicular distance of a point from y-axis is its x-coordinate. So the correct answer is option A, 7 units. In the third problem, in a family of two children, we need to find the probability of at least one girl. Students, don't worry about the phrases at least or at most. For an experiment that contains exactly two events, suppose if they ask at least one event or at most one event, the probability is 3 by 4. Okay, you can straight away answer 3 by 4. Suppose if they ask at most one girl, the answer is the same, 3 by 4. Okay, I will ask you one question. Suppose if they ask at least one boy, what will be the answer? Answer is the same, 3 by 4. Suppose if they ask at most one boy, at the time also answer is still the same, 3 by 4. Okay, so keep this in mind, students. In question number 4, we need to find the product AB such that the given pair represents a set of parallel lines. Students, you know the formula for this, a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2, which is not equal to c1 by c2, but I will teach you one shortcut method. Look at the first equation. In the first equation, the coefficient of x is an unknown a, and in the second equation, the coefficient of y is an unknown b. Suppose if they ask like this, and if they ask the product AB, then you simply multiply the known coefficient, that is the coefficient of y in the first equation with the coefficient of x in the second equation, that is 6. So the correct answer is option B, AB equal to 6. You can apply the same technique if the given lines represent coincident lines. Also, if the given lines represent intersecting lines, then the answer is AB not equal to 6. In question number 5, you need to find the zeros of the given polynomial. As you know, you can find the zeros by the factorization method. Instead of doing that, I teach you one shortcut method. Look at the options. 1 by 3 comes 2 times and minus 4 comes 2 times. So the answer may be option C, 1 by 3 comma minus 4. However, don't take a risk. You substitute these values in the equation in the polynomial and check.